First of all, thank you all for joining, and also thank you very much for sharing the poster and the WhatsApp group link with your friends, because now there are close to 40 members who have joined the WhatsApp group. So thank you very much for sharing. And our aim is to reach at least 100 by the end of July, so that the more number of candidates come in, or the more members we have, the better the learning is. So the mutual learning and questioning and answering and all that will be much better. So if one person asks a question, other person may be able to answer. You can have group studies. You can pair up and study with each other. So a lot of things can happen when there are more members who join. So let us hope that by the end of this month we will be able to cross at least 100. So I'll be muting all of you, so please remain muted so that there will not be any disturbance. So next one that I want to explain in today's class is that the learning process, as I have been telling again and again in the group, will be a self-learning process. It will be a community learning and a mutual learning. That is, what we will give you is a course curriculum. We will tell you what all you are supposed to learn, so that you can first build a website, then create a software, work on a demo project, and also work on a live project. So we will show you the path. During the week, you will have to learn, and if you have any doubt, you can post it in the group, and someone from the group, any of the members in the group, if they know the answer, they can answer it. Or once in a week, we will have a class like this, where each of you can unmute yourself and you can ask a doubt during that session. Okay, so once in a week only we will be able to give time. Rest of the time it will be self-learning, and you have to put your doubts in the group. Okay, so so each one can answer each other and we can help each other. So that is how we will be doing. And I also want a few group coordinators, our WhatsApp group coordinators, who can help me in clarifying any doubt that anyone has. So if you are interested, so please let me know in the WhatsApp group that you would like to become a group coordinator. So you will have to basically help someone if they are finding it difficult to create their password, or if they are finding it difficult to log in. You will have to help them. So if you're interested, please let me know in WhatsApp group. You can become the group coordinators. Now what I will do is I will show you what is the course curriculum that we would be focusing on. What is the course curriculum? So let me show you that. I'll share my screen and show that. So when you visit training.rejola.com, okay, so if you keep coming down, you will see the course content. So when you come down, or when you over here, when you click on the course content on the menu, if you click on course content, you will see the complete course content that is there. Okay, you will see HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, PHP, MySQL, jQuery, Ajax, jQuery plugins, WordPress, jQuery mobile, programming concepts. So all these are the different course curriculum that we will be following in this training program, or self-guided training program. And you can click on this link here, download detailed course content. Now this is very important, because that is what you will be following. So detailed course content, just click on that. So you will be able to download the PDF file. So it will open in another link, and you can click here on the top right side, and you can download and save it on your computer. Okay, so this is what you will be doing all through the training, whatever is mentioned over here. So for example, in the first level, you will be completing these two lines, that is HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. So these two lines, if you are able to complete quite satisfactorily with your own effort, if you are able to understand and do it, then you will cross your first level. Second level is these three lines, that is PHP, then again PHP, and then MySQL. These three, along with jQuery also. So till here, till this jQuery, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Till here, you will be doing in level 2. Okay. Level 3, we will be giving you a project. Okay, a demo project. Just we'll tell you the concept, and we will you can actually test how you have studied, what all concepts do you remember. So this is level 1. The first two is level 1. Level 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5. All these these are level 2, and level 3 will be a demo project that we will give. And as you are doing the demo project, you can go through the remaining like WordPress, jQuery Mobile, the different concepts that are there. So we will cover them later on in level 3. And once you successfully complete level 3 also, you will go to the level 4, where we will give you an actual live project. Either we will give it completely to you, or we may give you as a, as our team members are doing it in our company, we may give a small portion of that particular project to you so that you can get used to it. So as I told in the previous video, as soon as you complete level 1, you will receive a certificate from us. As soon as you complete level 2, you will receive another certificate from us, and level 3 another certificate, and level 4 another certificate. And after you complete level 4, that's when we will be helping you with job assistance, where we will do our best to connect you with the right recruiters. Of course, if Rejola as a company, if we have an opening, we will also give you an opportunity to work with us. So that is the course curriculum. I just wanted to show you the course curriculum. So this is what you have to learn. For example, now how do you learn? What is self-learning? How do you pick up on each of these things? For example, let us say, what is website? This is the first topic. Most of us know what is website, but technically we might not know. But we know that, okay, website is something that I can see. Like for example, this training.rejola.com is a website. So the website, the definition might be simple. So I'll skip that. Now, what is hosting? Okay. So that is something that you might have to learn, because not everyone might know what is hosting. Hosting is the space. Okay. So for example, what is hosting? So you will have to Google it like this, or check on YouTube, and you have to do self-learning. That particular question, you will have to do self-learning. So Mr. Akash was speaking, so I muted. Okay. So what is web hosting? So for example, that is the second topic here. I just took that and I pasted it here. Okay, and I have to learn it. So one of you will have to, you will have to go through this particular, and read it and watch a YouTube and learn what is web hosting. Okay. So for example, this particular page, it is opening and it's saying web hosting is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or a web page onto the internet. So this is what is web hosting. Now let us say when you are learning this particular web hosting, you are having some doubt. You did not understand. You tried to read it here, you watched a YouTube video, but you are unable to understand what is web hosting. Then what you can do is very openly just put a message in the WhatsApp group, okay, saying that I am trying to learn this, what is web hosting, I am unable to understand, I have gone through this link, can anyone in the group please help me? Okay, so whoever is available in the group, whoever is having a little knowledge on it or who wants to help, they can actually help. They can probably call you, or they can say, yes, I can help. You can call them, and you both can discuss and you can learn what is the particular topic. Okay. However, if you are unable to answer it, if you are unable to clear it by discussing, or no one is able to clear it, at the end of the week, as I said, every week there will be one class. This week is a little different because it is starting, so I decided to do it yesterday and today. But after this, we will have only one class every week. So next week end only we will have the next class. So during this complete from today till the next week ending, you all will have to learn a really good amount of the course curriculum that is there. So let us say you are unable to find out what is web hosting. No one was able to answer it. That's perfectly fine, no problem. Write down the doubt very clearly, but please understand, if you are not taking time to read by yourself, to go through the videos by yourself, you may end up wasting your time. So please go through a lot of content on search on Google and go through it, and also search on YouTube, because there are beautiful videos on YouTube. Learn through that. If you are unable to do it, we'll have a 30 minutes class next week ending. You can ask those doubts and I will do my best to answer them. Okay, so that is what that is how you will be learning. For example, let us say a few good websites where you can really learn. There is a lot of content that is available is W3 Schools. W3 Schools actually teaches a lot of website technologies where you can actually learn. So W3 Schools, you can go through HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. So these three things which is there in the course curriculum, that is HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. This entire thing that is there over here is actually there in W3 schools, these three things. So if you click on HTML, for example, it has a complete set of learning on HTML. It's a very vast subject that is there, so you can pick it up from there and you can learn from there. Okay. So you can go through this, and then once you have completed HTML, you can go through CSS, and once you have completed CSS, you can go through Bootstrap. And how long will it take for you to learn? It may take you 1 week, it may take you a month. It will depend on how much you already know and how much time you are allocating and how much of a fast learner you are. If you're a slow learner, it may take you through 2-3 months, which is fine. We are patient, for waiting for so long. If you are patient, then don't worry. It may take 2-3 months time. Don't worry about it. Just keep learning. If you're really fast, you may finish it within a week also. It depends. For example, if I were to learn HTML, maybe it will take me 1 week's time or less than that, because I have been learning about similar technologies for a very long time. And of course, I know HTML, so that's not I need not learn about it. What I'm saying is, if I came to learn HTML, it would take me less than a week's time. But if you do not have a background about HTML before, you may find it a little difficult initially, so it may take you a little longer. It can take you up to 1 month or 2 months or even 3 months. But don't become impatient and don't think that, hey, few members in the WhatsApp group, they're finishing very fast. I am unable to finish. Few people have gone to level 2. I am still there on level 1. Am I too slow, or should I go out of this training? Please don't think like that. Okay, because if you don't have a background about it, and if you are not good with picking up software or website technologies and all that, you may take a little longer. So please be patient and keep learning. Okay, so don't get anxious or don't get demotivated or disappointed that you're not able to do it fast. So that is how you will be covering all these topics here. And how do we know whether you have understood all these things here? How do we understand that you have finished all this? There is something on the right side, we call it as homework. It's basically not homework, it's a testing. We would be testing you, or you would be testing yourself, whether you are capable, whether you have understood all those topics properly. Okay, so you will have to build your website in your notes with concepts learned today. That is, you will have to build a website. All of you, I hope, have access to a computer, because without access to a computer, it's very difficult to do this course. So you should all have a computer to be able to practice all these things. So if you don't have a computer, then you will only learn it theoretically, and theory might not help much. You require practical knowledge, and the whole idea of this particular program itself is for the candidates to get practical knowledge. You should be able to type and learn. That is the idea of the whole course. So you will have to build a website, okay, with what you have learned, and you have to show a demo on a group like this. You have to show a demo to everyone. So you have to say that this is what I have built, this is what I have built, this is what I have used here, this is what I have done. So it may take you 1 week, it may take you 1 month or 3 months, which is fine. So don't worry about the time. It is completely dependent on you. But if you do it fast, that shows that you are a fast learner. That shows that you are capable of going to a job, or you're capable of doing much bigger things, going to level 2, level 3, level 4 very fast. So try to do it fast. Just because I'm saying you need not worry about time, don't take 6 months, 1 year and all that. Try to do it very fast. Okay. So the next one is, after you build a website, the next homework is you have to use something called Bootstrap, which is a technology, to convert that website into something different. You have to use Bootstrap. So once you learn, you will understand this. Okay, but I'm just trying to introduce you what is the entire course. So once you complete HTML and CSS, you will go to the next. You will be going to the next level, and you will start picking up on the next topics. So, do any of you have any doubts in whatever I told till now? If you have a doubt, please unmute yourself and ask me. Unmute and ask me if you have a doubt, so that I'll clarify and I'll go to the next thing. No one has a doubt? Okay, someone is putting in chat messages. So someone is asking in chat, how much time will it take to complete each of them? So as I said, it will completely depend upon what is your background. If you already know some softwares or programming languages, you can complete HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap within 1 week. But if you don't have any background of software or any computer science, computer related languages, then it can take you much longer. It can take you 1 month or even 3 months sometimes. So I cannot tell the exact amount of time that you will have to take. As I said, it is not a classroom structure, or it is not a course where we try to teach everyone in a given 2 weeks time or a 6 weeks course. It is not like that. It is an opportunity for everyone to know what they are supposed to learn, and also to get their questions clarified in the group, and weekly once with us. Either I will come in the weekly class or one of my team members would come and clarify. So that is what this course is. Okay, the free course is designed like that. It is not a 6 weeks course or a 2 months course like many other good institutes are doing. It is not like that. This is like an opportunity. It is like a platform for you all to learn. That is how it is. So I cannot give you a timeline. It will depend on how what is your background and how much time and how fast learner you are. If you're a fast learner, then you can really learn it quite fast. Okay, so having said that, now I will go to the next session. That is, yesterday a few of you have created your account on this place on training.rejola. Today also many of you have created your account on training.rejola. Now I will show you, after you log in, I will show you how to work on the how to use training.rejola to record your time. Because here you have to record your time and you have to also say what are you studying. Because this is the only place where everyone will know how much time you are studying, and I will also know how much time you are studying. As a team from Rejola, we will know how much time you are studying. So this is the very important thing. So let me tell that quickly. So when you click on sign in here, so what will happen? Of course, you can whatever password you have created, you can log in with that. So just log in with that. And as I told yesterday, every day you will have to mark how did you spend your time in the last 24 hours. Did you spend time in praying, reading, and doing some good activities like faith-related activities? If yes, you please mark high. If you have read some book, you have slept well, you please mark high. If you have done some exercise, you please mark high. If you have had a good family time, if you have spent good family time, you please press and put high marks for it. If you are in good terms with your friends, if you have helped some friends, and if you have spent some time with friends, not wasting your time but with some constructive time, so please mark high. And if you have done some savings, so you have created some investments or some budget you are following, you are not spending money unnecessarily, then put high. Now, as I told yesterday, this is very important to test yourself every day, because only if you are good in all these things, your mind will be clear, you will have a balanced life, and you will be able to learn better. Otherwise, if you have tensions in different areas of your life, you will not be able to learn fast. So if you're good in all these areas, so every day before logging in, you're questioning yourself. You're asking yourself, am I good in all these things? So if you're not good in all these things, you're trying to spend time to be good in all these things. You have to spend time to be good in all these things so that you can learn better. So that is the idea of having this every single day. So once you click on save over here, you will go to your dashboard. Now this is the dashboard of training.rejola.com. So inside this dashboard, what will happen is on the right side here, you will see a project. But right now, few of you do not have a project, but few of you who have signed in today actually have a project over here on the right side. So what I will do now is I will create a project for this user. Now this is a demo user that I have. So I will create a project on the back end. So let me just do that quickly. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I will just try to create a project. So on this place here on the right side, there are no new projects. There one project will come. So I will just create it on the back side. Just 1 second. So if any of you do not have a project here, you please let me know. I will immediately create a project. Okay. Just let me know if you do not have a project, and I'll immediately create a project. just creating it. It will take a little time. 1 second. Yeah, so I have created the project. So let's see if it comes over here. Yeah, so it has come here. So you can see that here there is a new project has come. So ongoing project. So it says here learn and grow. So there is a new project. So depending on which level you are, let us say you have completed level 1 and you have gone to level 2, and on level 3 we will add one more project here. That is the demo project will be added here. Level 4 we will add one more live project also here. So that is how it will happen. So once you see this project in this place, you can click on this arrow here on the this particular door arrow. No? Just click on that. So once you click on that, you will enter a place known as workbench. Now this place we call it as workbench, and this is the place where you will have to always keep it open. You should keep this window open always when you are learning. Without having this window, if you learn, you will not be recording your time, and we will also not know what you are studying. Okay, so this place has to be open. So I will show you once more after I finish everything, so that you know it can be a brush up. Of course, you will have this video will be there. You can always watch it again and you can go through it and learn. So once this workbench opens, this particular place opens, this is where different stages will come. So you can see on the left side it says plan and complete. Okay, so that particular one, you have to just click on this arrow, this particular arrow here. So that particular project, that particular stage, that is called a stage. This particular thing here is called a stage, one stage of a project. So you are just, since you are learning, there is only one stage. But once you get into demo project or live project, there will be multiple pages there. Okay, now you heard one beep sound coming. That beep sound is basically saying that you are not doing anything on the page. So every minute it will make one sound, one beep sound. Okay, every minute it will keep making a beep sound. So if you are not working if you are not undergoing training at a particular time, you can just go out of the screen. You can just click home here and go out of the screen so that it will stop making that particular sound. Otherwise, every minute it will make a sound and remind you that you have to learn, or you have to do your project, or you have to go through the tutorials. Okay, so let me click here. So as soon as you click here, it will say the timer will start now. Do you want to continue? You say yes. Okay, I want to continue. Just click on OK here, and what will happen here is on the right side you will see success session. Okay, now this is where you will say till what time do you want to do the learning, till what time do you want to learn on the right side. Okay, so let us say you want to learn till 3 o'clock. So you will select 3 p.m. 3 first and then 0 p.m. and click on OK. So it becomes 3 p.m. So now, for example, right now it is 2:30, approximately 2:30. So you cannot select a previous time. You have to always select a next time, future time. Because if you select a previous time, it will show error. So you have to select a future time. That is, when do you want to stop learning? So for example, if you want to stop learning today at 6 p.m. So click on 6 and minutes is 0 p.m. and click OK. So it will come as 6 p.m. And here planned coding activities is you just say you're learning about website. Just write website. You can write in detail, or you can just write 1 or 2 words. That is enough. Okay, you can decide how you want to write. That is perfectly fine. Okay, once you write this, click on load success platform. So when you click on load success platform, what will happen is it will open a place on the middle. Okay, on the middle of the screen, it will open a place where you can write what you are learning. What are the particular thing that you are learning? You can write that in the middle. Okay, so here you will see that there is a timer running on the right side. This timer will basically log you out every 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes, this timer will log you out from the screen. And when you get logged out, your time will not be counted. How much time you are giving for learning, it will not be counted. Okay. So here, if you see, it says total hours today is 0.02. That is, I just now did little bit, so it is saying 0.02. Total hours this week is 0.02. Total hours this month is starting, we are just doing it, so it's showing very little time spent. Now let us say that here I have completed learning what is website. So I will come here and say what is website is completed. So I will type whatever I want, whatever I have studied, I will type here, and I will just click on this particular arrow, this tick mark here. So when you click on that, this will get saved here. So it got saved, and you can see that it has come here below, and you can see that the time also is increased. So only when you save something, when you write something and when you save something, only then the time will increase. For example, you have completed what is website. When you go to the next one, what is hosting? If you have completed what is hosting, you can come here and type, let us say, hosting. Okay, now since you're finished or you're going to learn, even when you're going to learn something or you want to say what you're learning, just mention that here and click on this tick mark. So as soon as you click on it, see, for example, right now it is 9:22, 9:21. This is the time that is there here. So, but when I click on this tick mark, you will see that this will get reset. This time will become reset. So it became 10 minutes again. Okay, so the time also will get reset, and this time here also will get counted. So when I say that you have to learn at least for 8 hours in a day, what I mean is this one. You have to show at least 8 hours every day. Now, is it mandatory? For your own good, it is mandatory so that you can learn fast. But if you feel you are not able to give 8 hours, you can give only 6 hours or 7 hours. But if few of you can give 10 hours, very good. You can give 10 hours also, and you can complete level 1, 2, 3, and 4 very fast. But if few of you feel that no, I can give very little time every day, go ahead. You can give less time. There is absolutely no problem. Ultimately, we are doing this for you. You can use it how you want to use it. So we are very clear that we have decided to do it for free, and whoever is interested can make full use of it and create a good career for yourself. So now what will happen is, if at all you do not make an update here, let us say you are learning, or let us say you went away from your computer, or let us say you stopped working, and you forgot to update over here. What will happen is, when this reduces to about 2 minutes, that is when 8 minutes are completed and only 2 minutes are there, the system will make a sound. It will make an alarm to remind you that you need to make an update. So immediately if you make an update, the time will get added. If you do not make an update, then the system will log you out. Okay, it will log you out, and it will keep making that beep sound, that 1 minute beep sound that you heard. That means what it means is, every 8 minutes you have to make an update here. Okay, if you do not make an update, it will log you out, and it will keep making that beep sound. And if you want to stop the beep sound, you can just click on home here. Okay, and another thing is, let us say you have completed learning. So I'm just saying here that I have completed or something. I'm just mentioning as I've completed. I'm clicking on OK. So you will see that this will get refreshed here, and you can see time has also increased. And I am closing. I want to end the session. I want to totally end the session. So I can come here, end success session. I can just come here and I can click on that. So when I click on end success session, it will say, do you want to end this session? You can just say OK. And when you say OK, that particular session will end. So now that 8-minute reminder will not come. 8 minutes, it will not tell you that you need to make an update. That reminder will not come. However, that 1 minute beep sounds will keep coming. So what you have to do is, you have to just click on home. Click on home so that it will go away from this workbench and it will come back to home. So what will happen in the home is, you will no longer get that beep sound, and you will be able to see how many minutes you have done today, or how many hours you have done today, and in the last 21 days also how many hours you have done. And you can also see how others are doing. You can see their graphs also below. Okay, so maybe we will cover this in another session some other time, if at all we feel it is important. Otherwise, maybe we need not do that also, because those things are not important at level 1. But as you go to level 2 and 3, the rest of the things have become extremely important. So I have completed today's session. We have approximately 4 more minutes left. So if any of you have a doubt, you can unmute and ask me. Any doubt you have, you please unmute and ask me. So do you have a doubt? Any of you have a doubt? Okay, no doubt. So thank you very much. So today, please start learning. log in and you can select the project. If you do not find a project in that particular place, please put a message in the group. That is probably because we have not created it on the backend. We will do it immediately as soon as you put a message in the group. So any doubts you have, as I said, put your doubts in the group. So anyone in the group can answer and help each other. We will be coming once in a week to answer any doubts you have and help you to keep going to the next level. Okay. So since none of you have a doubt, shall we close? You can just type close in the maybe you can tell close, or you can probably type it in the chat. So we'll close it immediately. Yeah, I can see thank you and all coming. So I think we'll close it immediately. Thank you very much. So I'll share this video so that if any of you have a doubt, or those who have not been able to attend the this particular session, they can also use it and they can log in and start recording their time. Okay. So all the best from Rejola. Our desire is that each one of you will learn programming in a very well way, and you will really excel in it, and you will be able to find a job which you really dream or desire, and you can really come up in life. That is a dream and desire that we all have. So thank you very much and all the best, and do well. And let me see if I've covered everything. Yeah, I think I've covered everything. Yeah, thank you very much, and bye, and have a great day. Great learning to all of you. Bye.